You won't believe what's a bird's just shat on it. Help! Alright, so we've got it wired up. Let's have a wee look. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I took my car's interior from this to this. Right, so we got that side all out. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Right, so we have all of the rear section out. So got side pillars to do. Probably have to remove the door cards for that. That's going to be a pain. Front pillars and then headliner. Help!
Well, you unjam it there.
Right, so got the old headliner out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the wiring on the new one compared to the old loom. Let's have a look. Right, so here's the old one. Here's the new one. So it had a plug there. That was really close. There is another plug somewhere as well. Interesting. I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue then. Although we'll see. I say that, it probably will be an issue. The only other thing that I've got to do is I have to wire these ones up, because the stock headliner does not have the visor lights, which are these. So I'm gonna have to wire them up, but I don't think it's gonna be too hard. But we'll see. Good news, they work. Gonna try wire this up from scratch. Wish me luck. Had a look at the wiring for the visor lights. We think we figured out how to do it. So we're going to run a few wires and then we're going to fit the main headliner piece. Hopefully we don't break it. Instead of spending more money and trying to source them, I have, that's all removed them. So it's a seal that goes here, and a part of it's grey, and you'll see what I mean in a sec. So every time you open the door, what you're going to see is grey, and it's going to stand out like a sore thumb, because the rest of it's black. So I started dyeing it, and I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but I mean, come on. And that's only first coat as well, so it should go a little darker next time. So yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so while they're drying, I'm going to go back to fit in the headliner. Right, so I'm going to put these on now. Got the front wrapped up. apart from obviously the lighting. So yeah, we'll pop these on and then head to the back. Okay, this is definitely one of the harder ones to get on, but I think I'm there. Alright, so now, gonna fit all the grab handles. But yeah, it should be really easy to get those in. 2 bolts each, and they'll all be in. Right, so we've got the sides on. Now it's time to move to the back and fit the last 5 panels. Fuck. Right, so we've got that panel in. And we've got that panel in as well. So, this one left, that one left, and then the one that goes across there. And then that's pretty much it. Obviously I've got to put that one in, and then wire up for the lights. But that'll be tomorrow. Just that one panel left, which is just a clip in, so hopefully should be alright. Nice and quick. We'll see. You won't believe what a bird's just shat on it. Fuck me. Crisis averted. She all good. Very nice. Okay, so I've got a few trims left to put on and whatnot. I'm gonna build the loom for the lights. I'm gonna head off to the shed to do that, and then it should be plug and play when I get back. Fingers crossed.
Right, wire it up, bud.
Alright, so we've got it wired up. So that's our constant power. That's our ground. And then we have a feed, so both power and ground goes into each light. Both grounds go into here, and then when you open that, completes the circuit and turns that on. And then we're done the same for that side.
Which way is that? Ah, see, that's going up.
Right, so I've got the majority of it wrapped up. Let's have a wee look. That piece I'm just painting at the moment. So when that's dry, I'm going to put it in the car. Same with the rear view.